On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be taking a walk around one of the most beautiful and famous shrines in Kyoto, the Yasaka Shrine. We start off our adventure with some delicious street food. To our surprise, just after you enter Yasaka Shrine's main gate, you are greeted with delicious street food. Our walk will end at the famous Yasaka Pagoda, Kyoto's oldest pagoda. Yasaka Shrine is considered by locals to be the spiritual heart of Kyoto. People come here for weddings, to bless their newborn babies, pray for love, or just spend some time in these beautiful surroundings. This beautiful, bright, and colorful shrine is one of the city's most popular and famous landmarks. This is the most famous shrine in the Gion area. Once inside, you will have access to many smaller shrines and prayer halls. With the lovely lanterns illuminated at night, it is recommended to walk through the shrine in the evening. Greetings everyone. We just made it to Kyoto. We're gonna spend the day here, probably spend a few days here. Oh, we're staying, our hostel's in Osaka. We're gonna go eat now, but it looks pretty cool so far, different. Let's check it out. Eileen chose us, wanted to eat it here. She said it looked really good, so we're gonna go in. Hopefully. There's Eileen, I can't really see her. We have like our own little booth. And then, so we ordered our ramen. It was like 9:30. And then here you can put whatever you want, like how strong you want the dashi, the richness, garlic, green onion, pork and stuff like that, the spiciness. And then you just push call here, and there's like a little window in here. And the guy comes and collects it and I guess delivers it to you. Here's like another different view, so you get like your own little booth. And then he ended up taking our order and closed this little shade there. And there's Eileen. Oh! Okay, thank you. And there it is, mine's ready. And Eileen's still waiting for hers. And her little booth there. Isn't that cute? So what did you think of that?
That one was my favorite.
The best ramen I think I've also had so far this whole trip.
It's different because you can, on the paper, fill out if you want spicy or soft noodles, hard noodles, how much garlic, how much pork, if you want pork.
How strong the broth you want, how much dashi, and yeah, it's really good. It's my favorite so far.
Yeah.
Just what?
Just don't come if you want to be staring at your girlfriend or boyfriend's eyes because...
Yeah, you're sitting in like separate
in a booth.
But it's definitely the best one. If you're in Kyoto, check out Ichiran. It's really, really good. All right, we're just coming up to the entrance here. I think it's free too, so you just go in, right?
Yeah.
I like that. In China, a lot of the stuff was you had to pay for everything. Yeah. So it's kind of weird for me not to see any. You have to like not buy tickets and stuff. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Oh, this place is filled with street food. Look at that beef there. Oh my gosh. Wow. So we decided to get this one. Very delicious, yes. All right, my first time trying Kobe beef. And yours too? First time trying Kobe beef? Yeah. Barbecue. Yes. Do you smell that? Look at that.
Wait, thank you.
Thank you.
Patrick's gonna try the Kobe beef.
Smell good? Oh. Oh my god, it's so tender. Wow, that's like one of the most tender meats I've ever had. Wow, really good. Oh, there's the squid. There's a cheese string pull.
But we already had a few of those. We had one of these already, I think, when we were in Osaka Castle. Wow, I didn't know there was so much food here.
I had no idea.
Crab stick. Whoa.
Yasaka Street is a famous, iconic, and historical street. It is also considered one of the most photogenic spots in Kyoto. This historic area is an amazing place to walk around and a perfect place to experience traditional old Kyoto. You will see narrow lanes, wooden buildings, and traditional shops, giving you the feeling of the old city. This area is one of the city's best preserved historic districts. The streets are lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Some retain their traditional design and sell local specialities. Don't forget to also visit Yasaka Pagoda. This is the oldest pagoda in Kyoto. Yasaka Pagoda is just a short walk from Yasaka Shrine. It was burnt, destroyed, and rebuilt many times over the years. Don't miss the opportunity to climb up the inside of the oldest pagoda in Kyoto. From the second floor, you will have an amazing view over the beautiful city of Kyoto. Yasaka Pagoda is located in one of the most famous areas of Kyoto. There is so much to see and explore, and is well known for its geisha district, traditional streets, and festivals.
We made it. So we're gonna see the famous Yasaka Pagoda, and this is the street before it.
Get a sushi shirt.
Where? Oh, nice. It's so... This is very touristy here. But it's nice seeing these style of homes here.
Yeah, this is cool.
I guess this is the famous place where everyone takes a photo.
It's very gorgeous.
Yeah, very beautiful. Everyone's just coming here to take that famous photo.
You could easily spend a whole day visiting Yasaka Shrine, Yasuka Pagoda, the surrounding temples, shrines, shops, and cafes along the way. This is a place you can visit many times and always discover something new. I would definitely recommend putting this place on your top things to do in Kyoto.